on la discipline on ça and some people will say is that abusive thing. You are helping somebody open sa vie. You understand? You giving somebody life. Na minute wana akosepela na ngote.
Mais est-ce que advice
listen.
Toi ba te ka opesa mwana simple conseil moko boy mwana yo qu'il faut ko finga, il faut ko critiquer, il faut makamu belé. O mona, faut ko critiquer mwana ka pona o make your point come across. We need to stop that.
We're so used to violence to a point where we feel like the children can take pain. You know, that it's not a problem because they've experienced violence and it continues on. So it's something that I think we should change, something that we should push back, talking to the children, getting to know them, telling them this is wrong before you hit them. Give them a few chances before you hit them.
There's a difference between fear and respect. If you want your child to respect you, you don't need to put in the fear in them.
Nalinga mwana nanga abanga parce que ça il y a des choses oyo akobanga ko sala même soit za libanda abike papa na biso soka ayoki likambo yo eza mabe. Yango moni male figure na kati ndako pe des fois eza important bana babanga papa ko respecter oui to boy na bisoté eza lango bien mais je préfère moi na soit azobanga papa même na kati ya classe soki na zui bien te papa aussi papa aussi pilate
ke ba congolais mitu ezo sala te tozo raise ba mitu ezo sala te parce que biso mo ba parents de mitu e sala kate o mona ndenge papa lo bag to pesa kaka what we have biso photo analyze ourselves. Because everything that we have, we're gonna kind of give down to our descendants, no? Don't photo break the barrier, because there's a generational curse. Papa na yo beta yo, koko na yo beta yo, tata mosi na yo beta yo, ezo kita.
Hi, welcome to Solola Bien Real Talk. It's your host, Christian Bless, and I want to thank every single person for watching us. Lelo na koloba lingala. Balobi ke no nengeza wana bino bolobaka anglais trop. Donc lelo na komeka na makasi nanga nyonso na loba lingala parce que toza Solola bien. Na pesi ba mbote pa ba bandeko na biso nyonso. Comment ça va? Bon senti moi lingala nanga eza bien. Non, to c'est belle. Écoutez. Bon, on a ngena lo bana kei man nazawana. Bon, so les lots zoloba eloko moko oyo tomoni eza très important dans la communauté. Na moni que franco ça ninga c'est quand même mais c'est à maintenir moi eloko wana. Donc na koloba na anglais après na kozonga na lingala. So today I'm going to try and mix it up a bit, yeah? We're going to speak a bit in Lingala, we're going to speak in French. And before I go any further, I want to just thank all the fans for watching, for supporting, for liking, for sharing. You know what? I believe that Solola Bien, we are going places. And I want to thank again one of our main sponsors, our main partners of Solola Bien, Voice of Congo. We thank you again. And also, if you can see us looking beautiful right now, it's because of a lovely lady, Trish. Oh, you know what? Yeah, she's done makeup on myself, on Frank, on Trezor, Tozongenga Pinza, Eza Magasi. And if you want nice hair, you know, we've got marvelous hair, which Gladys is wearing. Hey. Look at that, yeah? She's looking like an African queen right now. Voila. Oh, okay, you know what? Let's continue. So, today we're going to ask a question. Is this discipline over love in the Congolese community? We've grown up with our parents, and some of our parents have showed us love. And in their way, their love was demonstrated through discipline. You know, some of our parents, the way they showed us affection was never to tell us they love us, but it was to provide for us. It was to provide a shelter for us, to give us material things. That was their way of saying, you know what, I love you. And now we are living in the Western community whereby affection is demonstrated in different ways from how traditional Africans or Congolese people see it. Affection is demonstrated by taking your child out to the park, by telling them how much you love them, and by not physically hitting them. That's how we potentially see it here in the UK. So I'm gonna start and open up this conversation, and I'm gonna start with let me start with Trish, actually. Yes. I'm gonna start with Trish. I want to ask you, Trish, do you think that there is a disparity, there is a difference between how the westernized people show affection and love to the children in comparison to Congolese parents?
I mean, when we say westernized people, are we talking about the Congolese and diaspora as well?
We're talking about the Congolese and the diaspora. Now, so we're talking about the Congolese and the diaspora compared to how they raise children up back in the Congo. Yes, the white people compared to the black people, effectively.
Okay, so it's...
Yes.
Well, yeah, I think there's definitely a difference, yeah.
Yes, and what difference do you think that is? Do you think the difference is positive or is it negative?
I think it's both positive and negative, because I find that there's extreme in both.
Okay.
And I think that you could be extreme when you're being quite lenient, and you can be extreme when you're being very, too disciplining. I don't know if that's a word.
Yeah.
But I do think finding a middle ground is what makes it quite safe.
Yeah.
And I do think that the older generation did struggle with finding a middle ground, because they had a particular past, not just because of our culture, but because of our history as well. I find that we often don't speak about it, but I think stuff like colonization, it plays a big difference in how our parents were disciplined by their parents, because the violence back then, and if you're used to a violent environment, then that's normalized. So hitting a child to a point where you have to get a weapon to do it, it's normal. Whereas here, it'll be really odd for any of us to be beating our kids, and you hear someone say, "Go get a weapon." I think most of us will be like, "Whoa!" If it was a thing, we'll be like, "Okay."
I think that back in Africa, they have only one style of educating and disciplining their children. So it's something that they need to adapt. That in the Western world, there's so many ways of disciplining your children, whether it's taking away their PlayStation, whether it's making them read a book, whether it's making them spell the same word over and over again. There's just different styles they need to adapt. Back in Africa, you spell something wrong by Betty, you. That's not going to help you change anything. But whereas here, if my child spells something wrong, I want to punish them. Ale papa, zwa moyo, write it down 100 times. The child will memorize it. There's different styles of disciplining. Take a beta bana boyko. Oh, nana beta yo. Mobile down that beta oh, ningo zongi sela batumisus. Mais Solola bien quand même, no? Come on.
Being a feminist as yourself, would you say that, and you're proud of being a feminist, yes? So would you say that? I love so would you say that Congolese parents, Congolese fathers, do you think that they were too much of a dictatorship in the home? I can see Nicole is shaking her head there, nodding her head.
To be honest, it's not a question of what I think. It's a question of what it is. There is a lot of dictatorship when it comes to a Congolese home, and I think it's quite normalized, because we say it's culture, but I think it's more patriarchy than just culture. Because if we look at our culture, if we really go and we're just looking at culture, there's different parts of Congo where it's not so patriarchal. It's matriarchal, but we really ignore that side of things and say this is a culture because we're choosing the patriarchy side of things.
So, and I saw you were nodding your head then. So would you say that Congolese fathers were quite toxic in the way they raised up their family?
Their fathers taught them how to be men. And obviously put that sort of that sort of masculinity sort of thing in them. So that's why they have that sort of dominant, and that's why they're our fathers are also teaching our young men to also be that, that type of way.
So having said that, so you would say that the way Congolese fathers raised up us, it was in a negative way.
There's some that I would say.
You were nodding your head there.
No, you know what? I was actually thinking it's not just Congolese fathers.
It's not just Congolese fathers.
I think Congolese mothers can be very toxic.
They can be.
I don't think it's necessarily fathers. I think it's because of the way they learned that was normal to bring up children. Because I think even though even mothers are really more strict on women than they are with their sons, so it's not just fathers that sort of pass on that toxicness.
Okay. Let me go with Gladys before I go into the men, and then I'm going to go to Diamond. What about yourself? Would you say that there was a toxic or a very masculine, dominant raising up that we experience as children from our parents.
Yeah, definitely. From our parents, obviously, because we've all grown up in Europe, it's completely different to growing up back home. Back home, it's okay to beat your children till they're bleeding, or okay to use weapons, okay to use belts, okay to use, you know, that stick, the fufu stick you hit your child with. Nowadays, it's now that I'm a parent myself, I find it quite difficult to even in my life. I don't know. I think I will eventually hit a child, but maybe a spanking. But to go and get a weapon is a bit extreme. So I feel like there was more negatives to it, but like Trish said, there is something in the past. I think like things like slavery, black people were just so used to violence. So we're so used to violence to a point where we feel like the children can take pain, you know, that it's not a problem because they've experienced violence and it continues on. So it's something that I think we should change, something that we should push back, talking to your children, getting to know them, telling them this is wrong before you hit them. Give them a few chances before you hit them. Sometimes our Congolese parents, they don't even give you chances. If you break a glass accidentally, they're going to kill you. You break a plate accidentally, they're going to kill you. You tell your child next time, hold the glass properly. Don't hold the glass with two things in your hands. Don't hold the glass with wet hand. If this child don't listen, then eventually maybe you'll smack their hands or something like that. But we don't have that. So I think it's a thing where we need to teach our parents or our older generation or us as well, now that we're parents, let's start communicating before we, you know, take out the rod. Let the rod be the last thing.
Okay, and yourself, Trezo, obviously you coming from a, you know, being one of the oldest in the panel and having experienced yourself, would you say that our parents were toxic in the way they raised us up?
It depends. It depends now. First of all, there's a little misunderstanding between my parents and in Afrique and Poto. In Afrique, mingi, la plus exemple, like this phenomenon joueur, footballers, parents are accepting it just now. It was something like bandoling en mode. Because bah on a musicien, joueur, tout le monde.
Speak a bit louder, please,
musicien, joueur, tout le monde batabakisi. Le fait de batakisi, joueur, il est très musicien, il est très. They're just accepting it now. Okay, bon, moi, the whole thing for money now. Music now, but for sport, yes, they start to accept sports now. But also, you have to remember this. Is that fierté? Il y a papa, mona, à 6 classes. You understand? Il y a fierté. Donc, et là, il y a mona, il y a comme cadre, ministre, whatever. They have this mentality que moi, soit 6 classes, il faut abandonner ta veste chaque jour.
But then, my question to you is, our parents, the way they raise us up, did they raise us up in a very toxic, disciplined way?
There's nothing toxic about raising up children here.
Nothing?
Nothing.
I knew he would say
It's not makamaki toxic exactly. It's that problem exactly. There is certain discipline. They grew up with that. You can only give what you got.
Yeah, absolutely.
You understand? But color discipline the more boy. Next our boarding school when they to apply but it was helping. You understand? But even though they mutake eternal. Mais in here, so betika mona muke bidamabe. Mundele somehow, yes. Some parents, they do go to the extreme, but on the extreme. It's not encore pour la potote, même en Afrique, but tu me sous-peko, but même batakati, but beti po beta bani mabe. You understand? It's not something new. No mona mamisu mona hondi is new, but beti mona mabe. Mais ko beta mona, it's not dépendre. Na nous beta la mona. Mais it's not toxic.
Okay, so
na limite sorry, na limite de yobo ta mona yo po osali mabe.
No. But there's baby P, for example, who was abused and killed by their parents, and there's some children, some parents, some parents actually give birth to children and still.
Christian, don't forget, to vivre dans society bi na mukili oyo. But mususu bazana ba problem a mitu.
Exactly.
You understand? But bazana problem mitu. So many mutu as you mona na yebo moko azo mutu na zo beta on a me. There's something wrong with the person.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
It's a problem. Papa musu bazana. Sorry to say this, but papa musu bazana problem mitu. Ba malade. Le problème des gens qui na communauté na biso na notre communauté recognize take no problem mutu na malade.
Okay.
Because you admit then it's toxic.
We're going to touch on that,
what he's trying to say, when you got all generalize, is that toxic? All generalize, so toxic. No, you can't say. There is certain parents
people
that were toxic. And some of them, because couldn't identify what problem, but problem ni bazaki na ngote. Tangwa parce que ba test ba ni ko
But
yebate.
it's still normalized.
C'est on a le bit. Ba ko yebate moi to lo ba. Moi to je to ba parce par exemple nga. Quand on voit si ma parents sont toxiques non. Na ko lo ngote parce que
But we're not saying our parents are toxic individually.
No, when we're saying they were toxic, you will generalize.
Yeah.
But would you say the majority? Would you say the majority?
No,
they had a problem with masculinity dominance in the house, which was a bit of a dictatorship.
That one's majority. The masculinity dominance is majority. We can't try minority that one.
It's okay, 95%
minority. A lot.
I wouldn't say because I don't have any statistic to back that. Na kwa loba kati na bando loba makambuka based na ba feeling na ngai. Pongai ngai mo na person na ngai na tikala ko experimentant ngote. Parce que la famille na biso the most dominant person is like female. C'est ko na biso moi aussi. So ra tshelo bo na mesa boy pas mutu tout. Ba mi bale nyoso kan even my own family na ba simi na biso the most powerful person is like my older sister.
Okay.
She used to. I can't even say. You like to go toxic because she used to make us like our person about house chores. If you don't do your house chores,
you won't. And that's the sort of thing I experienced.
Growing up now, growing up now, I learned to appreciate that because it taught me to be independent. You understand? Parce que Soki azaki ko discipliner biso na ndenge wana te.
Yeah.
Parce que ba pesio musala. Yo soko sala, ba pesio is your task. When you don't do it, they teach you that there's a price for everything.
But is that bad or good though?
Just because you've learned something from an experience doesn't mean the experience was good.
That's
Because
not
sometimes you can
Mais nakoloba omoni nini tozonga toloba eza basi obeza mibali ngana zomona kaka tokoloba kaka ke na communauté congolais mingi ezalaka toxic ezo etalité soki wutie pa mama ou bien wutie pa papa parce que tout le monde appelle ba tusu baloba oh mama kulutu mo boye azalaki boye papa kulutu mo bazalaki boye
zela boyo kaye
donc exactement que papa
problème c'est que parce que maman yo c'est que olobaki oyibsaki biso la fois passée que osali soki 11 ans na mariage pe ozana bana 4 ozape maman mapasa donc ozape maman hein femme mariée ozape maman penza donc exemplaire soumise exemplaire maman naza na question na yo na tuna yo maman ndenge franco salobaki que non ezaki na temps soki peut-être osala ki moi sala bien te okoliate ou peut-être ndenge biso tango tokolaka moi fimbu il faut ezala par rapport na yo moni ndenge nini est-ce que est normal que tout ça should we treat our kids the way our parents
absolutely not parce que moni problème na likambo wana eza boye omoni tango ozo mener vie ya mwana dire tozo raised by adults pe o ba bando suffer from mental issues ozo comprendre ozo ta anxiety nakata mwana ozo ta depression nakata mwana ozo ta low self esteem nakata mwana bien sûr o ko teach mwana ko mema na niveau mo laki sieke pona okoma bobe osala boye these are the steps that you need to do maybe for souffrir moi mke parce que nothing na vie ko ya easy mais I feel like mingi na community na biso everything is like backed with violence ozomona toyeba teka opesa mwana simple conseil moko boye mwana yo qu'il faut ko finga il faut ko critiquer il faut makamu belé omona faut ko critiquer mwana ka pona o make your point come across we need to stop that parce que yana to ba ke ba congolais mitu ezo sala te tozo raise ba tu mitu ezo sala te parce que biso mo ba parents de mitu e sala kate omona ndenge papa lo ba to pesa ka what we have biso faut to analyze ourselves and lo need to pesa pa na bana because everything that we have we're going to kind of give down to our descendants no don't for to break the barrier because there's a generational curse papa na yo beta yo koko na yo beta tata mosi na yo beta ezo kita
okobeta mwana na yote
ngai ngana ninga robeta bana na ngate I believe in talking omona passe ezo question na obeta to mwana sali mabe na obeta tanga okene na real world na relationship na ye akoko sola na mwasi na yete obia na mbali na yete parce que ni na bikaka violence abikaka omona ebika komima makambu violence there's many other ways to communicate
so what about yourself then what you have to say about this
I gotta say that bavinity at ningba bolo makama toxic nga personnellement na vivant moté. Na vivant nga take I've never even seen like say my parents even argue.
Okay.
That's me.
But have you gotten slapped?
Like I've been slapped, but there was a mixture parce que I've been slapped.
Well, I think people tend to repeat what they learn. So as soon as we realize that something's toxic, I think it's best to kind of like accept that it's toxic first and then work towards dismantling it.
Well, some parents believe that they don't know how to communicate with the child. It's like na beta parce que I fear, because I know before to know about fear or respect. The difference. Do you understand? Fear is the one I was saying na misu na yote, me na sima, whatever. Respect is like me mazana sima, I am no my parents. Na usana wonte parce que wa parents nga bazani. You know what I mean? I will get slapped, yes. Me serious there. Then they will sit me down and say, oh, do you know what? Yeah, you don't do this because of this, because of that.
And that's
then I'm gonna oh no, do you know what? I was a zoba for that, but like this is how I improved.
Talking about fear and respect, like just to let the people know, obviously before we have these conversations, I want to go to you, Frank, yeah? But before we have these conversations, we often discuss it amongst ourselves. And Trésor, if you don't mind me mentioning this, during our conversations, we spoke about fear and respect, and you said that you prefer your child to fear you than respect you.
Yeah.
Do you want to elaborate on that?
Giving your child anxiety, why?
Mais papa Kobanga wanaweza the same as fear.
You want to be.
That's what she's saying. She wants her child to
Explique.
Listen, I grew up with a dad. I bet I once na vina mobimba. I had this extremely fear. Now no bang about bisu makasi.
How bad was you hit?
No, slap. Could you imagine?
That's not enough to scare me.
Could you imagine vina mobimba papa bisu betanga mbata. Just slap. Mena banga ye vina mobimba. Hey, I know what he was capable of doing.
That was a Mike Tyson slap, man.
You understand? I do need a logo. Someone stole something in the house. I check it by the band. It was at 1 o'clock in the morning. I see,
that's extreme.
It was one of my sisters that gave it away. You understand? Because
that's not toxic.
No. Listen to me, yeah.
Scary.
Listen. It's better to be feared sometimes. Parce que when you want to so banga you, yeah. Attention, yeah. Listen, balobi boy, on va punir avec amour. You don't punish just necessarily to punish. On va parler belé, alors il n'a pas banga ye, pour so ba nyo beta ba misa ba makila. You understand? Ngana ebi bateli oncle nga moko. So beta moi na beta ba do ba sabo partout.
It's a bully.
There is results where it's very negative na banana. Banana ba no bangiti.
Yeah, because they got used to it.
Because they got used to it. That's what happens.
Listen to me, then you understand what I'm trying to come. Banana ba bangaiti. Me nga papa na biso beta ngati. Abeta nga mata in for la vie na. Me papa na biso na muta makasi. Aki muta makasi wa bundi azo gagner. Azaki muto na quartier na mama yaki muta makasi. Mais na kole na kobanga wana. Kobanga ne epouser nga natanga bien. Soit lobina na likam na yoki. Vous comprenez? Soit lobina trésor non na tiki. Vous comprenez?
Okay. Let me, because of time here. You got 10 seconds there, and then to come back.
Yeah, on parle. Kobanga mususu, ça veut pas dire que mutu. Ao bango su na neni. Kobanga eza na sens que mutua. Eza kende na botosi. Mais mutazo la kisa you.
Sounds like respect to you.
It's like respect in some way.
So you prefer for your child to respect you than to fear.
Bana ngai, bana ngai na beta bangote. Mais banga ngai. You understand? Banga ngai.
They respect you.
Francos. Okay, guys.
It's all about respect na kobanga. Il faut que ba ko différencier makam parce que kobanga eza kobanga. Fait parce que moni problème to na ododo ba le belo bazo kufa na Londres na nzela. Ba kufa na nzela pourquoi? Parce que bazo koza na makambo.
Babanga ba parents na bango ni.
C'est là OK. Parce qu'on a travaillé 7 ans à the youth worker. Bana na bazaki na communication te na ba parents na bango ya okende koloba na papa. A cause ça fait likambo mabe. Mais tellement azo ba neo ko résoudre en moté attends que nous papa ne akosa par exemple soki drogue ba tu nzela ateki et elle comme maba sali mais so kazala ki na kobanga papa na eta ko papa na selo ko papa to luka solution papa na ko aider ba que les personnes qui bloquent ba drogue wana ba zo ngisa ngo ko ba bo maman na été mais comment azala ki na kobanga papa na ye azo ba ko communiquer papa na été moi na asili ko kufa na nzela ba ko mi pas to ki na pourquoi nini azala ko banga papa na ye ba le bele ba zo ko na kobanga parents parce que parents bazo bandenge ya ko Solola moi ni bana il faut ba banga yote bana il faut ba respecter pona makambo yo za ko sala tant que papa ko provide ko protect babo na ndengo za ko se carry na society na society papa la biso ato respecter po papa so mama sala to ni to za lokola ye donc il faut to tanga makasi il faut sala boye faut to comment dire papa bon na zongi pona na ko lobela likambo pona na lobela moni nanga ba kutuwe kama kimi hapo tena umisi mata
Sugi, I'm gonna come back to you. But guys, we've got about 5 minutes left. But I wanted to on this particular topic. So guys, if you're watching us, let us know your thoughts as well. What do you think? I'm gonna come back to you. Yeah. What do you think is the what do you think of the way our parents educated us and showed us, discipline in comparison to the way we see discipline now in the Western world in the 21st century? Were their system bad? The way they did it give us anxiety and trauma and negative experiences in our lives, or do we need to change? You let us know in the comment below. I'm gonna go around everybody. I'm gonna give everybody probably like 30 seconds each. I'm gonna start with Francos as a summary. What message can you give to the people?
Je pense que même si on a une relation, surtout les garçons qui sont à Kinshasa et les parents na biso oyo bakola na communication mingite parce que les parents biso kola ça que balinga ki biso ezaki ndenge na nyaloba ki ko provide ko ça là bazo provide to yeba ki ke papa linga parce que provide la recette malgré ka yebisa ngai ke I love you ngala tika ko papa fande biso I love you o papa pesa na tika ko la bloc na te na yebi amote and now to komi awa to ko utana basi na biso to linga awa bakoli na mentalité ya poto place bazui ba affection na moi mingi bazomona ngo pepa ba camarade wala ba ndeko na bango c'est pour ça que bo zena moi si bozana mwana yo là ozo yi ozana ba bloc oza pe na bloc to yebisa ba no I love you ba comme ko affecter na relation parce que on oza remona ke yo mobali ndenge oza kaka ba na mwana I love you tu wala on te ba ka te ke biloko wana e affecter même ba na mentalement parce que moi na ko as grow la society as la vraiment bien à évoluer à s'épanouir il faut azokaba emotional boost wana donc chaque fois que ça comme on que I love you attention moi la scène ma bébé c'était ça bien au scène ma bien mais au ko bon ça parce que bien ça le temps so ça les moi erreur na devoir au classe donc déjà que you don't have room to fail them what tu vas apprendre que pour nous succeed you have the right to fail fail many times mais to supporter pour aucun niveau so na ba les choses affecter ba les choses ka bona pour la nini ngana ko ya boy na you akuti na mwana ngapena na mwana ngande na kola na makamla sona mo discipline mwana na ndenge nga na kolela wana yo mo so biki ba pesa mwana love ba saka be e banda wa affecter d'abord moi si mo ba lo ndenya zaka méchant na mwana nga directement ça nini et créer problème ya on les faut ba me camper au comprendre
Voice of Congo penza lo ba le penza bien ko te peni alors biki o eza penza o eza
chapeau na pesa ba yele
Tolonga chapeau wana. Agressif. Nicole, Loban, na Lingala.
Lingala, it's not that great. But I'll try. But I would say this as a community to all parents out there. Like because obviously how I grew up, my dad didn't.
And you've got a child as well.
I've got a child, yeah. And my dad never showed me love. I was scared to approach my dad at times. I was scared to approach my mum at times. Even though my mum was quite okay, but I was still afraid. And I ended up doing things that later on I sort of like regretted. But then obviously my mum came to find out and then it was already too late. Because avant mwana abima po akinobina and then if you come back home, it's a bit too late. That consent is already gone because obviously you don't know what your child's done. So it's very important, like for every parent out there. It's not every day
just because ozo me maman no na ba soirée ya ba Berly ou bien ba Fania ou bien ba Delix, that's what love is to you. No, love is more than that. Communication is very important.
Yeah.
That's what I would say. That's what I'm trying to teach my child.
Okay, fantastic.
I just want to say this. There's a difference between fear and respect. If you want your child to respect you, you don't need to put in the fear in them, because it's quite hard for a child. If your child has a problem or anything, they can't come to you to even open up, because you put into their minds and in them that they have to fear you. So that's all I've got to say. So parents, you have to change on that.
Diamond, maman ya ma passe na 4 bana.
Oui, donc I'm just in the same wavelength. My upbringing was a little bit different. I'm not going to say it was like hard or anything like that, but there's certain things you kind of had to teach yourself. So that's what I'm trying to teach my kids. Communication is important. Being able to make mistakes is normal human error. We all have to make mistakes. Na mingi na ba famille ba Congolais okosa l'erreur te. Ndenge mama lobaki awa mwana ko ici glace, expliquez-moi na comme ça prochaine fois asala ngo lisusu te tozana temps wana te tozana patience te wana ya ko explain bana ko pesa ba conseil biso ka result ezakaka punishment, discipline. Mais obité conseil pe cause de discipline na munene. Okosa sala 15 ans beta mwana yoka teteti. Mais mukolo moko kaka opesa mwana conseil wana kaka impo et mwana changer mwana makanisi mentality mbala moko pe échanger. Donc tout ça l'effort ba mama na ba papa ezapeka musala ba mama te, ba mama na ba papa tout ça l'effort to ba ko expliquer bana ba Solola ka words is more important than physical actions.
Est-ce que babeta yo?
Babeta nga ite me moni ndenge
ba forme na yo ba ki babeta yo te.
Te babeta nga te me nga zalaki mingi moni ba discipline ya maboko na se fukama maboko na se mutu likolo bache ba madesu na se ose à genoux. O comprendre mingi za bilo kane on a donc
ba gifle
te ba gifle penza te ezalaki mo la biloka boye omona zai mingi biloka ndengo na est-ce que ça kini ngana ba yazo bana ete omwezi ko makamone bando sani ngana ba frère na ngai so basali biso ndengo na to sali da cop ke so ba basali ngo to lela makasi comme ça ba mone kola to souffrir comme ça ba stopper omona donc omona tobi ba beta biso ka ba it's cool in it we've already gone to the park si to lié ba ice cream na biso donc so ba beta biso to ganga kaka ba rotika you know what I mean donc eza kola ozo pesa fake fake to raise ba hypocrites quoi donc to Solola mingi zo manipuler ba parents.
What I was going to say was that
ningala soki okoki papa
omichana place ya mwana ngo parce que biso nyonso batu misusu ba kola ki na ba toxic parents yopte olingi mwana azana position wana te avant osala loko kanisa que soki ngai na saiki mwana na olinga reaction of our parents nangeza andeni because I think that sometimes it's like don't just take your anger out on the child, you know, just because they did this to us. Because I hear a lot of like bavina biso that they say papa na biso beta biso ngape na like sabukara mwana na beta, and it's like no, it's like just because babeta yo result nini yo zwaki now. Do you get me? Result nini yo baumba zwaki from doing that. You scared of them. You call your dad lying is zoya to batama or whatever. You don't want that with your children. I would just say that think what would I want as a result from you know my child being like this.
Okay. Trésor image.
Well, bon, c'est pas la thème. So I'm gonna tell the truth. Yeah.
Oh, listen. I'm glad I get to speak after you.
Bino sikoyo, c'est comme si to raise bana mongo lelo baza ba failures.
Never.
No.
Est-ce que boza
C'est
listen. You to call na ba discipline mongo boye, which at the time to mona kemo zaki abusive, like you always say.
Times have changed.
Now listen to me.
Let me finish.
Listen to me. There's a lot of idiots around here these days. Yeah, but parents belo bo mona bango lelo o to zo ba parents bazo fail because ba yoka na ba parents na bango te. To connais la discipline mongo ki o sa mathématique o ko kate ba becho film ne franco salobaki. And some people will say is that abusive? Is that abusive thing? You are helping somebody open sa vie. You understand? You giving somebody life. Na minute wana akosepela na ngo ti.
Mais est-ce que advice
Listen.
Let him finish.
Listen.
You won't get an equation by hitting them.
Let him finish.
Listen. Biso ba o ba beta biso po ba tunyo 3 ce qui 2 plus 2 égale 4 au lobby 5 abetu pa ai biso toi misapina yo misapi mi bale so do mi bale za ni no et 4 etikali mais c'est là
Let him finish.
You're not true.
20 seconds.
That's trauma.
Let him finish. Wait. Zela. 20 seconds. Sirisa. No one is on. Sirisa.
Moi, je peux respecter yo sans que banga yo. Parce que tout à l'heure, dans d'autres heures, le que moi, il faut banga. Si c'est moi, il faut banga. Non. Moi, je dirais plutôt, moi, je respecte na ndenge yo moko d'abord papa oza komeme la vie na yo na makambo salaka na makambo la kisaka parce que yo moko parent d'abord faut la modèle ya mwana a respecter par rapport à makambo salaka et na makambo oza sala mwana abanda ko se comporter na ndenge moko po a sepelisa pe yo po azala na ligne oyo oza ko pesa na famille. Par exemple ceux qui oza parents oketi na université aussi université moi na roloba ngai pe fona sala better than my dad. That's respect. He has respect for you. Mais sur le secteur zo banga et on sala que atanga makasi pour accomplir peut-être plus que toi. Donc c'est un peu ça ndenge na kolobela. To edikara bana na biso na ndenge moko babanga ka biso to zala open que soki azana likambu eza libanda eza la wapi azala na facilité on a koya ko sa papa nazana likambu na ba garçon moko boye est-ce que toko kende parce que stoka azana courage on a koya ko lobana et on sait que ameka corriger peut-être na ndenge na moko eko komema peut-être na liwa et soki pas za ko banga yo trop okomona akokende ko so na bateau bazaka ba jog disait par exemple na nzela o ba ko utiliser ye
et l'autre ne bozo forget yeah na lobi na utiliser terme mo boye na zo pas mutu général mayele alobi on ne punit pas les gens pour le plaisir de punir.
Général mayele
azaki général alobi azo pesa ba soja conseil tu punis avec
violence.
Non, boyo kaye.
non pas
Mais il y a land
c'est ça là bon là neni so bozo ko tu punis avec amour. Discipline en bête à moi pour I get something for la life na ye eza na ngo badité ezo dépend na ndenge ozo na utiliser terme eza ba tumususu ba sala na ndenge mabe ozo mona beti mona mutu na mi whatever that's bad mais ça ozo bête à moi pour olinga get something ba ne belé lelo ba faire na ba vie na bango parce que abani olobi I can't do it bobi bana ne bazalaka I can't do it otiki mwana baby après et ça ba na mususu ko vous avez des sortes de balles, pas monsieur Bayo na robeta, monsieur Bayo na robeta te. Monsieur ça conseil. Vous en parlez. Mais en tant que parent de jour yeba que moi noyo, attends la bêtise ndenge ni na changer na été. Et belé ba noto ba beta makasi trop ba bible, ba suko ba voyou. Vous en parlez. Pour yeba que vous beta zo changer te. You need to change your strategy. Ça ba na monsieur beti boy, o mona ba ngai na koli na discipline OK. Ba beta na mingi te menazaki na fille, maman aboti ngai. Abade ko beta ngai te. Mais na no ba ngai. Kobanga yane mtese ki ato nasa la discipline de buzo bate o ko sakana ndenge baloba ko sakana basi na iba ngote na o kola susu awa e pa ya mama leki na ngai o abengi singai awa so na okata ta 15 secondes alaki singai pe the same thing lelo nga atake moi mobile na ibi sokola ko clean the whole house e bila ba mbele basala te na ibi ko lamba mais ko lamba ngo zakine so na sali ta betinga mata na ko lamba biloko basi balamba because na ba discipline like it was good for me and that's what na appliquer mon vie na ngai and to na kata bana na ngai moko na beta bangote babanga ka ngai so ba moni ke lo moza bien te bango moko they approach me they ba approach nga na so na bango and they get the result over that mo posa.
Okay.
You understand?
I understand now. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, Trésor.
Nalinga mwana nanga abanga parce que ça il y a des choses oyo akobanga ko sala même soit za libanda abike papa na biso soka ayoki likambo yo eza mabe. Yango moni mère figure na kati ndako pe des fois eza important bana babanga papa. Ko respecter oui. to boy na biso te ezala ngo bien mais je préfère moi na so azobanga papa même na kati ya classe eh soki na zui bien te papa aussi lika papa aussi pelate.
I'm not going to respond to anything Kazo said, but just for me, we've spoken a lot about parents communicating as well, and also I just want to give advice to the young children as well. You need to learn your parents' love languages as well. So there's something that I recently did. It's really important. It helps. Some people show love differently. And also, if there's ways you've seen your parents are treating you and you're not happy with it, you can also find ways for you to communicate with your parents. If your parents have someone that, you can trust in the family that you can go to, that can help you do it. Just because your parents are doing something, don't let their behavior change you into someone negative. So also try and seek out help for yourselves if you're unhappy with things. I'm not saying to become like these total, like Tracy Beaker European children, like things I don't know. I'm not saying to become rebellious, because our parents do love us. Most of us here can admit that our parents do love us, but it's just the ways that they were taught back in their times is completely different to the times we're in now. Our parents are not used to children talking back. Like, if you spoke back, the way we speak back to our parents here, back in Africa and at home, that is something that's not acceptable for you to speak when an adult is speaking. So my advice to the young children as well, learn your parents' love languages, learn to respect your parents, and if you feel you're being maltreated, find help. But I'm not saying to go and destroy your home, but to speak to the right people to get you help. So that's what I'll advise.
And last but not least, Trish.
I was just going to go back to, in terms of the fear and respect thing. I was going to say, I think it's really important when we talk about it to really underline why I think respect is more important than fear. I think we have a lot of fear in our community. I think the difference, what makes fear more toxic, is because with fear, it just has anxiety and avoidance. If someone fears you, they tend to get anxious around you, they tend to want to avoid you. And that doesn't sound like the type of parent you really want, the type of parent who will contribute something positive into their kid's life. Whereas with respect, there comes knowledge with it, there comes need for knowledge and hunger for it. If you respect someone, you sort of know why they don't want you to do something. And if you don't know, you feel like you can approach them enough to say, hey mum, you don't want me to go to sleepover. Why? Like, you can have a conversation with it. Because some of us don't even know why we wasn't allowed to do certain things. And that's why it's easy to do it behind our parents' back. Yeah. And also I think with fear, when we inflict pain because we want the child to fear us, we can't be shocked when the child grows up, then goes to inflict pain out on the street, because that's what they learn, that is what they need to sort of feel like someone. Yeah. So a lot of these young boys are trying to inflict fear into each other, oh, he doesn't respect me, cool, this is what I'm going to do next. Because that's what they've learned at home. Okay. So whereas if you were taught to more seek for respect, you're like, okay, cool, this person doesn't respect me, I've got enough respect myself to not deal with this. Yeah. Do you know what I mean?
Fantastic. You know what you said there was very, very interesting. And guys, I want to find out, what do you think about it? Who do you agree with it? Do you agree with Francos? Do you agree with Diamond? Do you agree with Gladys, Trésor, Nicole? Anyone? Who do you agree with? And what do you think? What do we need to do as the new generation to change the cycle, or is the cycle okay? You know what? Let us know, comment, subscribe. And that was the topic of today. Thank you again, guys, for watching, and we'll see you again next time. See you later, and bye-bye.
To drop my battles that biso te bitumba out there is a makasi. Donc biso pay for te ba osala makasi with our kids.
Supposed to learn. How am I supposed to learn on something? How am I supposed to learn on something when I'm
donné toto parce que moi na bizali na changer, comportement moi na changer, bilamba sikeye kokota na kata ndako, bilamba ba cher, yo comme parent, comme mutu asa responsible, is that up to you? Oh yeah, ba vie moi na ezokende nzela nini?
When you guys blaming my parents c'est still no one's on mindele.
Oh, okay, I get why this kid's going.
Listen to me.
I get why.
Listen, stop all this. Stop blaming my parents. Stop blaming my grandson. My grand frère, they're being bad parents. I was in the street as well. Est-ce que famille I went to the church myself. I made a decision myself. These people, they make their own decision.
We didn't really give Gazelle the chance to finish, because I agreed with what he was saying. Ultimately, it is a choice, even for a child. But I think we have to recognize when a child can be held accountable for their choices, and how did their choices, were their choices affected by the way they were brought up, which would then go back to parents kind of taking some accountability.
But so kiyo zoe bako parent mwana na ote batuna balabala bazali prêt ya rozala mama tata social.
Et ça choix ya bana ya génération ya baleki na biso bazokola lelo bana na biso bazokola lelo, they don't really listen. Et lelo, je crois que tu comme blâme trop ba parents, mais je ne pense pas que trop ezaka ba parents. Blo mususu za bana ba moko bazo kende ba osa ba shona bango baza pe tout force.
Elo nini yoko mema ya positive na vie ya mwana wana bimisa mwana bokenda ta mwa lunch day Solola mwana weke to find out mwana promise ali nini elo ni yoko kusala o aider.